All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I got a pretty cool one right over here on the table with me, but just a little reminder to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below in the comments what you think, and check out Fablades.com. There's some nice fidget toys, some cool pocket knives. We have an amazing consignment program where you can send to us your pre-owned fidget toys, and we're gonna take care of the sale. So let's go ahead. Metal Toys DZ Top H Titanium slider in the house. It comes with these goodies. Over here you have some stickers, you have the tool and some spare parts, which always helps, because you might lose the pesky springs, ball bearings, anything that can get lost. Let's zero the caliper to give you some measurements. 54 millimeters by 20 millimeters by 6 millimeters. This is a slick one. Just to give you a size comparison, I got one mousse slider and a classic shuffle. So you know, these are the comparison that I can make. Check it out. Metal Toy DZ Top H. Nice fingerprint kind of pattern engraved. Ultra thin toy, of course. Titanium. Very satisfying sound. Teflon tape. It's a slider, very simply made. You just hold it in your hand and you just fidget with this while you're waiting. I like the feeling also. Here, there's a little movement. If you press it a little bit stronger, it kind of dampens the sound. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 states. Very slim, very tiny, very lightweight indeed. Blue anodization in the groove going on. In grams, the weight is 21.6. You cannot complain about this whatsoever. Smooth, slick, rounded edges. Metal Toy DZ Top H, check it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned.